Crown Stevo.
There, you mixed this, right?
Wavelength that I can't play with you niggas. I laugh when niggas call me broke, you must got the wrong nigga. We all good over here, ain't no handouts, nigga. But better when you gotta make it yourself. Cause our pals come invest in your wealth. I'm a boss, I don't communicate with peasants to manifest what you want. You gotta live with your manifest about my family, I dust your whole fucking section. Hitting the road, fucked up blood, why you preaching? Letting folks know they gotta watch who they feast, why I feel the hate. Watch a gang, got the race, gonna have a house like Bill Gates. Speed demon modified, the buckets till engine brakes. Still hustling poverty, should not be big paid. You see, it's different niggas playing, getting my mama a purple range in a bigger place. Stay focused, my nigga, everything gon' fall into place. You niggas thinking now, I'm thinking 10 years from today. My kids gotta be straight, no worries on their plate. Niggas be broke and lazy, it's brazy. They made sure they living the same way. Can't let broke niggas around, or they gonna eat off your plate. Niggas left me in the rain, I came back smiling their face. I peeped the negativity, they wasn't with me anyway. They would slow me down, I had to switch lanes on them. I could read through the fake, I could see through the hate. When I was younger, I used to shelter niggas that ain't pitched to the plate. Had to dismiss them niggas, now I only gang this way. But niggas fetch their own plays, from the city of the rain. Money and family motivation, trying to save for better days. You can feel the hate in the atmosphere wherever the sun is shining game. Had to tighten up my circle, no more weirds in my space. Always been humble, you don't want to step out of character. I